Hey guys, I just wanted to hop on here really quickly and show how you're able to add your own custom badge or sticker to individual products in your Shopify store. I wanted to share this information because I found it very difficult for myself to figure out how to do this. I was looking for videos everywhere and I couldn't. And finally, I came across an article on the website and I was able to follow it, and it did go ahead and allow me to put individual stickers like this on my products. So as you could see here on this product, it's this sticker, and I've only added them to my coming soon, and I only added a few. And if we go over here to this one, it's a different one. And if we go ahead, I think I added one to a girl's as well. I think it's this one. So I'm going to go ahead and jump over into the actual back end of my store. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into my content here, and I'm going to go into meta objects. So right here in meta objects, what you want to do is you want to go into manage definitions. And real quick, guys, if y'all hear my dogs in the background, I apologize. They have been a little bit wild here, and I can't control them. So I apologize for that once again. So once you come in here, you're going to see that it asks you to go ahead and add an entry. So, or you can actually go into the manage definitions. That's usually what I do. So just go into view all definitions here. And as you can see, I have several different ones already established in here, specifically for my products. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going into my products, and as you can see, I already have one associated for product stickers, but I'm going to create another one so that y'all can follow along. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a definition. In here, I'm going to put test product tag, since I already have one established with stickers. And then from there, you want to leave this area, the namespace and key, exactly the way it is. Do not change it. Now in the description area, if you like, you can go ahead and place a description if you want. But at the select type, you're going to select file. And once you go ahead and select file, you could go ahead and select accept specific files if you like, or you can select all files. In this area, you need to go ahead and select accept specific file types, which include images and videos. Make sure you follow the guidelines that are in here. And then once you do this, you're going to go ahead and save it. So now that it's saved, what you want to do is go into, I'm going to go ahead and close this out. You're going to go into your products. Now, me specifically, I'm actually working on my collections page. So, on my coming soon collection. So what we're going to do is we're going to go into where it says coming soon, and we're going to select just any of these products. So I'm going to go ahead and select the boys orange intuitive seeker shirt because I don't believe I have one added here. Okay, so now when you scroll down, this is of course the back end of the store. When you scroll down to the bottom here, you're now going to see all your meta fields. So remember, we just created the test product tag. So right here in this test product tag, you're going to select a file. And you can choose from any of the ones that you already have in your store, or you can go ahead and select add file here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to select one that I already have. I'm going to go ahead and select this one here, and I'm just going to select done. Once I do that, you're going to see that it populates here. So now I'm going to go ahead and select save. Guys, I'm going to jump back really quickly because I forgot to tell y'all something in the meta field area. I apologize about that. So we're going to go ahead and go back into, what is it called? Content. And we're going to go into manage definitions, and we're going to view our definitions. Now, right here in the products, when we go back into the test product tag, you need to make sure that you're selecting one file. If you like, you can go ahead and select a list of files. And if you do a list of files, that way you're able to add multiple, like if you're going to do trust badges or anything to that extent. But in this case, since it's just going to be a single product sticker, we will select one file. Okay, so going back to where we were. Now, once we already went ahead and added that, what we're going to do is we're going to go back into our online store. Now, once we're in our online store, I highly suggest that you duplicate your theme. Now, I have my live theme here, and with this live theme, I already have my product stickers. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to work on a non-live theme so that y'all can see this. So I'm just going to go ahead and work on this Dawn theme right here. My main theme is actually a turbo theme, as you can see right there. So we're going to go ahead and go into customize. And now that we're in customize, if we come over here to the products default page, you can see we already have everything established, or pretty much. I'm still building my store, guys, but what we want to do here is we're going to add a block. And do you see how everything kind of highlights over here in the blue area, letting us know that this is the area that we're actually working in? So we're just going to add a block here. And what we're going to do is we're going to add a custom liquid block. Now, in this custom liquid block, we're going to actually place a code here. Now, I don't want it down at the bottom. I kind of want it above the price over here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to move it above the price there. And then once we're in there, we're going to place a code in here. So give me one moment. I'm going to go ahead and grab the code for y'all. Okay, guys, so right here in this liquid code area, we will need to go ahead and place a code, and I'm going to show you how you're going to actually grab that code. So you're going to want to go ahead and place, it's going to be product.metafield. Whatever code actually populated for the meta field that you selected. And the way that you're going to see that is, let's go ahead and exit out of here. We're going to go back into the content. We're going to go into manage definitions. We're going to view all definitions. And since we created it in products, we're going to go ahead and select products. And do you see this right here? This is, oops, sorry about that, guys. This is the actual text that you'll be placing in the code. So I've already got a notepad over here on the side, and I have exactly how it's going to be placed in there. Please don't use this in your own store because this is specifically for my store itself. but once you add or create your meta field, you'll be able to go ahead and proceed with doing the same with whatever pre-fills for your meta field section. So I went ahead and I've copied this already. We're going to go ahead and collapse it and go back into the theme editor to customize. So we're going back into the online store and back into customize. And we're going to go back into the product page, the default product page, and back over here on the left hand side where we have the custom liquid field. So now what we're going to do is we're going to paste the code in there. Now remember, you're going to go ahead and place the code exactly like this with your actual product meta field name here. So you will have the open portion to go ahead and select and paste the text needed here, and then you're going to go ahead and close with this after you go ahead and put in your meta field content. So now that we have that here, we're going to go ahead and save. So remember, I only added one product into this area. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to select that product here in the customization of the theme. So as you can see, there's nothing here for this product because we didn't add the actual sticker here. But if we come back down into, well, let's do this since we're in here. Let's go into the coming soon. And I believe I added it for this boy's shirt, if I'm not mistaken. So let's go ahead and click on him. Maybe it wasn't him. Let's go ahead and go back one. And I think it was him. So there, do you see how it went ahead and it populated there? So let's go ahead and add another sticker to another product, and that way you can see that it populates. So if we come over here into the coming soon, I'll go ahead and open all the products so that you can go ahead and see that there's nothing here. You see how there's not one here for this one. We can go ahead and go back one page. Oh, it doesn't look like it's allowing me to do that. So we'll go back into the coming soon here. And we'll go ahead and select this woman. And you see how there's not one here either. So let's go ahead and just add one to this product itself. And then that way you can see that it does populate. So we're going to go ahead and exit out here. And we're going to go back into products. And we're going to go into collections, coming soon. And we're going to go ahead and select this product here, which is the Women's Pink Calming Elegance t-shirt. And let me move this to the side. Sorry, guys. As you can see here, we have the test product field. Now you can see this product sticker is here already. That is on a actual different theme. So that custom code is not implemented here on this actual Dawn theme. This is actually on my Turbo theme. So like I said, we created this test one for this purpose, and we're going to go ahead and select here. We'll select the file. Let's go ahead and select this one. We'll put done. Make sure that you save, guys. You need to make sure that you save it. And as you can see, it's right here. So we're going to go back into the theme editor, customizer, whichever you like to call it. So it's going to be online store. And we're coming here into the copy of my Dawn theme, and we're going to customize, and all we're going to do is we're going to pull up that actual particular image to make sure that it populated. And you see, there it is. So I hope this was helpful for anybody that needed this assistance. Like I said, I'm only making this video because I found it very difficult myself to find any type of YouTube videos out there that showed this. I did find a document that does go step by step telling you how to do this, and that's how I was able to figure this out. And you're able to go ahead and do multiple ones if you like. I know some people like to add trust badges or certain like material things on certain areas of their pages, but this one, like I said, is just a single one for the product page. I needed it for coming soon items. You can need it for something else. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, guys. Bye.